Seriously, you can't get it in 2 tries? You know, if you made a left at that last light, it'll loop around back to here. I'm just saying. No stop. Like, why? It must have been high. Oh, you asshole.
Text, it does say something about descending from the mountain in fire. You have a pillar of fire and then you have the
red light run. Red light run. Yeah. Red light run. That was pretty blatant. Stop it.
You don't know, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform that makes it ridiculously easy.
Hi!
Website.
What's up? It's like you never saw me here.
We're trying to sell something online. They got everything you need.
That it's just too much. We're not meant to be on our phones 24/7. I mean, I know saying that as a YouTuber is kind of weird. Walking around Disneyland.
Really?
You're gonna need to
see that got on camera.
And well, generally perfectly fine. But the ones with those are the ones that I agree. The ones that are like, I'm gonna push my way to the front of the line because look, I have
red light run.
Late certain times of the year, and other times it's as much as 16 minutes early. On only 4 days a year.
Red light run.
Have a high temperature. Cool things have a low temperature. Thermometers.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
In AB 150, that even today, in all translations, the work is known by its Arabic title.
Wait, that was red. Really?
Or the Great Exciting, just to maintain a comfortable temperature. When the going gets really cold and you want to absorb maximum radiant energy, wear something dark rather than
exit dive. That was kind of stupid. There was no one behind me.
Rather than debate how to dress it.
If it was like kind of sticky dynamite versus what you're describing, hand razor.
Exit dive.
And you kind of feel advised.
You know, what I recognize is important, I think, is to really try to understand at the ground level what is motivating us to look
no stop.
Medicare, Medicaid, everything always is this is the like litmus test for it.
No stop.
Almost everybody that you know knows somebody.
Let's not forget that 50 Shades of Grey, which had sold 150 million.
Nope. And I should move over soon.
Pewter frames.
No stop.
I'm gonna go ahead and take issue with the idea that there is any.
They just got off.
Light years above those, a lethal dose of cosmic rays, high energy particles that shoot across space.
That's a regret.
The first casualty.
And beside you,
Uh-oh.
so we're bigger than northeastern. So he has to go back and put all that aside.
Are you kidding me?
Did he get past that? Does his personality allow him to get, and maybe he can. The fans wanted him back and they're going to be very happy that he's back. They all have that. They're going to treat him very well. We know that. But this is going to be obviously something that he has to
Oh, jeez, they got stuck. They hit the bridge.
What Zoro is now, man.
Yeah, I am going to back up this way.
Yeah. Now, how he was banned for a long time, and now he's not anymore.
Red light run.
He's good at selling people stuff. Some of it works out, some of it doesn't. The high-end guys, the guys who can't miss.
Red light run. Red light run. No stop in front of a cop. And the cop don't care. At least the sheriff stopped, so good example for the rest of us. Good job. Pedestrian. I wonder where all the crosswalks are around here. Pedestrian. Yeah, as such, there's like no pedestrian crosswalks anywhere. It's a shame that they don't exist in this town. Like, never ever. Yeah, sure, just back up into me. Because why not? No, stop! No, stop!
And then if you, I don't think you can link from there, but if you like go to our site and then just search the town name, it will pull up all
Nice
of
cut
the
off.
things that we've created. There are
Wait. Those are left from the right turn lane. Right turn, regret. No, stop. Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. Even though it's icy out, there's still kind of no excuse. You should have started stopping a long time ago. You didn't stop, Toyo turd.